Hello YouTube. Today I have some special news for you. This car is our new car and it is about time too. It's a 2011 Toyota Camry XLE V6 fully loaded. It's got navigation, smart key with push button start, Bluetooth, leather seats, like I said, fully loaded. We just got this car today. Today's a Monday for a real good deal too. This is the interior. Still has that new car smell. See, it's got navigation. I will also be doing a full in-depth tour of this vehicle later sometime. It's got the reclining back seats, as you can see. I rode in this car and it's very comfortable. It's very quiet. Has a real nice ride. Nice looking color too. Very comfortable seats. So yeah, I'm happy that we got this for our new car. Show you the front end real quick. Like I said, I will be doing an in-depth tour of this car sometime, but not today, definitely not. Let me show you more of the interior. Oh, I forgot to set the door lights. I mean the dome lights. Why did I say door lights? See, you can see it's got the wood grain accenting. You can see the instrumentation cluster. Yeah, when we were driving this car, when the headlights were on, the screen was completely black. We didn't understand why until we figured out the instrumentation light. We were like, what? It's gonna be like this? And everyone was passing us. Funny. It's got heated seats. We didn't pair our phone yet, but we will sometime. Let me give you a quick peek at the trunk and that'll be it. Oh, I forgot you had to have this smart key. Don't you? I don't have the key. We'll just take a peek at the trunk and call it a day. There we go. See the backup camera as well. It's a nice large trunk. Anyways, YouTube, thank you for watching. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. also wanted to let you guys know that this 2013 Civic Coupe DX was our rental car since last Wednesday. I apologize for not making a video of it. It's just been so busy and there was rain and stuff like that. Nothing fun. So yeah, this is what it looks like around the back. Yeah, just a quick look of it.